You guys want to see social suicide? Here it is. Here it is. Because you know what? I'm not too cool for it. Because I can do what I want. Because it's the internet. And what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You're going to hate comment it? You're going to send me hate mail? And you're going to dislike the video? Well, if you is, I don't care. Because I can do what I want. And look at that. My eyeliner smeared. I don't care. Because you know what? I'm Alyssa. And Alyssa does what Alyssa do. And if you disagree, you need to get to stepping. See this? Stepping. In case you don't know what that means. Okay, well here it goes. Hands up in the air. I just want the baddest boy in the world right under my lap. And I'ma hit this drink up like it's my last. I'ma hit this night up like it's my last. I'ma like it's my last. Swear I'ma do it like I never had it at. Oh. Like I never had it. Oh. I'ma hit this night off like it's my last. I'ma start this night off with a big blast. Never knew that this dream would ever come true. Always wanted to tell you that I love you. Always wanted to be a part of your life. Just wanted you to make me your beautiful wife. Never ever wanted to be anyone else's. Just singing tulips and petals of roses. Because baby, I don't want anything below this. See them stars up in the night sky. I promise in your heart I'll always be close by. Just hug your pillow before you go to sleep. And the promises I make are always valid to keep. Yeah.